Hi guys, we are starting a vlog off. This is Denise, my best friend. We're going to Laramie to stay at her place for a few days. And I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me and have a little adventure. We're also bringing Miss Luna. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any future requests for videos, please let me know in the comments down below. But we're gonna start it off, so see you soon. So, bit of an update.
Bit of a change of plans.
The road that we need to get to Laramie is closed, so we're spending the night in Cheyenne at Denise's parents' house. Thankfully, we have somewhere to go.
Yeah, and it actually cut like 35 minutes off of our route.
Yeah, we've been driving for 4 hours, and it was a 2-hour drive normally, so
you know,
it's fine.
But we're safe.
Yeah, more to come. Okay, bye. We made it.
We did. We're alive.
Yes, we drove for like 4 hours, 5 hours. Yesterday.
Just about, yeah.
And then another
hour and a half today.
Hour and a half today.
Which is normally 40 minutes.
So we're a little tired, but we're super happy to be at Denise's house, which will be fun. But just wanted to pop in here because we have finally made it. Yay! We made it. Even Luna's super happy. She's stoked. Yeah, we just wanted to pop in and say hi. We made it to Laramie, and we're happy that you're still watching the video.
Yeah, it's as cold as it looks.
It is super cold outside, guys.
Mm-hmm. But when it's not windy, it's not bad.
Yes. So over the next couple days, I'll continue vlogging as we go into town. Probably check out like a cafe.
Yeah, we have an awesome tea shop and coffee shop, a couple sweet book stores, and some thrifting.
So we're gonna have some fun. Yeah. Who doesn't love a thrifting video, right?
Yeah, and we can walk downtown from my house, so it's a great time all together. Get a coffee on the way, enjoy the small streets.
Yeah. But yeah, keep on watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you're enjoying the content. Just thought we'd pop in and do a quick fit check. I'm wearing some super cute crop trousers from H&M with a sweater vest from H&M too, and just a basic white tee, which is kind of giving this fun varsity vibe for winter, which I think is going to be a huge trend.
These are my mom's pajamas that I borrowed last night when we got snowed in, and these are the slipper socks. Yeah, slipper socks she got me.
Yeah.
And it's my house, so hell
So
yeah.
We can
PJs.
do what we want. But yeah,
Adam's taller than me, so I'm standing on the coffee table.
which is totally fine. There it is. Just thought we'd jump in and do a fit check, guys. Bye.